In order to go live on Instagram, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you do that, go to your profile section by tapping on profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile, or you can also do it from your homepage as well. At the top of your feed, tap on camera icon or swipe right to access the camera. Now you have to go ahead and select the live option. On the bottom of the screen, swipe through the options until you see the live next to reel option. You can also add a title to your live stream, such as a brief description of what you will be doing, and you can also set the audience, either close friends or followers. Or you can also go ahead and practice before you actually start live streaming. Tap on these lines and you will be able to add a title, and your followers and anyone watching will see the title. Or you can go to this calendar option over here, then enter your video title and schedule it by adding a start time and also the audience from this page. When you're ready, tap on the Go Live button to start broadcasting, and your followers will receive a notification that you're live. Viewers can comment and send reactions during your stream. You can also invite others to join your live broadcast by tapping the video camera icon in the comment section. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.